Hello, everybody. It's great to be with you today. When you think of Jozell Brister, what comes to mind? For me, Abilene Christian University, the College of Business Administration, the second floor of the Maybe Business Building, specifically room 201, tiered classroom with Jozell down in front, looking over an overhead projector, writing in blue tip marker, IM, LS curves, and talking to us about macro and microeconomics. I think of professionalism, totally prepared for every class she walked into. I think of smarts. I think of kindness. I think of no nonsense when I think of Jozell. But most of all, I think about her dedication to her God and to her students. She loved you. She loved everybody in that classroom that she worked for nearly 30 years in the College of Business. Jozell Brister's a star in the College of Business. She dedicated her life to walking into that academic wing and helping prepare you for Christian service and leadership throughout the world. She came down in the dean's office with me and helped me figure out what it meant to be a dean. She helped us build the business building at Abilene Christian. She helped us achieve AACSB accreditation, a milestone in academic quality in the history of the school. And Jozell Brister today thinks of her life and gives thanks to you as her students for the joy that you brought her. It seems fitting to me that we would want to honor Jozell Brister by putting a name in the academic wing in the College of Business. I hope you'll join us. I hope you'll show Jozell how much you love her and how much she's meant to you. And I hope I get to see you again really, really soon. You blessed my life and made me better while I was on campus with you. God bless.